Boston Creek now. We go Backdam, go do some farming, and before I go that side, I will go throw out some cast net, see if I can get something.
So what's the beauty here? The nice trench going up all the way inland. So we're gonna take the boat and we're gonna try to get some fish on the way going, and we're gonna do some farming. All right, guys, the Titanic just arrived. Check it out. So this Titanic hold up to 2, 4, 6 people.
Yeah.
With a lot of bananas.
Here we have the captain. Captain, say a word there.
Hola.
Today we are with a whole group. That includes my brother, includes Vishal, includes me, and the captain.
Yeah.
These are the other 2 guys joining the group.
Okay, okay. You don't need licenses of a fish here, right?
Nah. He has that now. Back your answer up. You need to march off the front. Go on this way. That's on forward. And I'm moving no straight. This boat will need to be. Let's tell you, I'll be able to look for me now. I'll be able to water for fresh water. Right, that's the whole time sa kaway. Yes, I mean. Hindi ko sabi niya, siya mo niya. Witas mo tayo.
This is Guyana grapes. Yes. Call it jamun. Taste it. Try there. Try. You try there. Yes.
So we're here at Vicky farm, where you have pepper and bora currently. The rest of the stuff got replant.
You gotta put like,
This is a 7-acre land.
you gotta put like with the pipe and the fittings and so, you gotta put another 150, right?
It's a little shed.
It's a collection. You gotta get another 150. You gotta get at least
So we get a fisherman there.
put them up. Two more. There you go, guys. I got this.
How much for this?
I got this.
Yeah. So we get a padu,
This is the padu. We call it in Guyana, we call it padu.
or also called what is it, whitey?
Whitey?
So one more you can ask for, buddy.
Yeah.
Everything fresh. Off the tree.
So you get a padu tree here. Let's see if we can get some padu.
Agas. First we can say. You see, like
Only one time a year, remember?
2 weeks ago, no isabi ba kaya?
Padu.
But you don't get them plenty. If you look at it, I'll say you want to
So you bear like 2 times, 3 times a year? 2 times.
But during this end in August, like prime season, right? Imagine
This is like cotton candy
all this one.
with a very nice
Stay alone the road.
flavor. Just pick it off the tree. Okay, so we're walking to the farm now. So we
Take a
get
bite.
some-
Take a bite and taste it.
We get pepper, so we gotta find the cucumber and the salt. So we will make a nice pickle there.
Are we getting salt, boy? Alright.
Where the salt tree? Now the salt tree there? So as you can see, this is the bora part. All this is bora. So you see, we're not doing it like other farmers now, where you put the stick alone. We're not using the stick alone now. We're using the stick and twine. So you twine, twine it both top and bottom, and X them. So that's where all the vine goes, and that's where you get more production.
So Vicky, I see you have distances between the plants.
It's roughly 2 feet, 2 feet apart. We normally randomly use one of this machete or cutlass, we call it. So we put it like this. So every time when you plant the seed, if you put on somebody's seed like this, you just drop it cutlass and you throw it, and you keep moving all the time. So you're actually using about 2 feet apart. This is 2 feet apart. If you right through.
Okay.
2 feet apart.
Is there a special trick you have here with 2 strings in a V?
Yes. What it does, like I said before, instead you use this. Once people normally use what is X the stick like this, and the vine takes the stick. But now with this in this method, you get more production, because the vine, these show a lot of vines. So if the vines don't have enough place, they're gonna keep wrapping on each other.
Okay.
And it's gonna be less production.
Okay.
Then the vines that get strangled, they're not produced. In this way now, every vine is gonna take somewhere to go. So when this vine take this way and come up, the next one can take get behind them and come up. You get more places for vine, all these vine to run.
Okay.
So you get more production. So when you do harvest now, one person work on this one side, and next person work on the other side,
Okay. Smart way.
and you get more production. On one of this line bora, one of this bed, could actually give you now like roughly like 500 pounds. 500 pounds a bora.
Okay. That's equivalent.
500 to 600 pounds a bora.
That's equivalent to how much money?
It goes on the price. Depends on the price, because the price normally fluctuates. Depends on the time of the year.
The market.
Yes, and the market. So
Okay.
it depends on that.
Okay.
But this right now is a lot. This is a lot of bora, because you get four row, and it's not a lot of. It's like 500 feet in length, one row.
Bala twine. This just reminds me of when we were younger. We were
Use it to fly kites.
we used to fly kites with this. So it's such a beautiful something to see, after such a long time. Bala and twine. Bala twine. The coconut nice up there, right?
This is why they camp, right?
People have camping out there?
Yeah.
Pick some for back and plant it. So we're gonna have a Guyanese variety okra. So I'm gonna grow here. What is this? Cucumber? So what do you want?
This is same. That's the bridge. Careful. What's the name of the bridge? This is the
Backdam. Backdam, Brooklyn.
Brooklyn Bridge.
Backdam, Brooklyn Bridge.
Bush camp, bush life. You can't ask for nothing better than this.
Okay. Hi, say hi there.
Hi.
Yes.
Do you pick up clear?
You wanna say something?
Well,
You want to introduce any gal and so for come
yeah,
visit you in the bush?
Make yourself known.
Daddy man who deal with all the sweet potatoes and the cassavas.
Hi, uncle. Say hi there.
Yes, right.
Alright. What's your name?
Larry.
Larry. What's your name?
Orlando.
Orlando. So
Yeah.
girls, his name is Orlando. Are yours?
Panchi.
Panchi. So I don't you guys are on break now?
Yes.
Yeah. It's too hot, I think. Yeah.
So after lunchtime, what you guys do?
The rest of all my
The rest of it and I'm bakla sweet potato the may just harvest.
Okay,
Bakla sweet potato bag.
Okay.
Okay, we put check the sweet potato feed how you
Uh-huh.
See you guys.
Let me have. And the south. What the main man we come for left at.
Uh-huh.
Go back now the Jamun and south. Nak ko ang pok na sa sini. Mulong ay si terong pok to ata. Refresh ako wato.
So we come to Guyana and pass through these farmlands. Look, what do you find? Orange. What more you can ask for? So we'll pick a couple of them. Wow, that's a nice size. Orange from the tree. You got a nice one on top there. Wow, that's a nice size. Check the size of this. Smell it.
Smell the freshies.
You may cut last, let me slice them up. Let me see what it is.
This one smells so nice. No, I'm just joking.
Di me conforme water then. Right, so yeah. Fresh
Alright, cut a little
off the tree.
So we didn't bring enough water, so this is how we're gonna hydrate. Like this is
This is what you call life.
let me see that. Just from the tree,
This is fresh from the tree.
how it is.
It's not cool, but it's good for now.
I need a shot in it.
Well, not for me. Let's skip that.
How about you, Vishal? How the coconut?
You good?
Sweet? Not sweet? Okay, so we gotta get the next tree then.
Good buddy. Don't get jelly. Yeah, you can get.
Let me hydrate first.
Get more at coconut tea.
What is coconut? Nice jelly. And it's full.
I'm just gonna hold it for him.
You don't know if I drink coconut, man.
Almost sweet. I can hold it for Victor.
See if you had weight. Make it back. Make it back. We can put it in.
We're gonna eat it now, no? Oh yeah, okay.
Sweet? What adventure, eh? Come out here.
Oh man, this is so good. This is just paradise for us.
What more you can ask for, buddy?
Definitely, we're gonna come back very soon again.
You know, Anna? I just put some and leave one. Okay. Oh, nice. Too big one there. Nice, man.
This is what harvest already for the day, and this is the tree potato. This is what harvest. So let me take a walk down. You will see.
Alright, so all this here is harvest on this side, and this side has to be done still.
So here harvest. So this is the tree where it is. This is all three pots here on. In between, you still get potato left, right? You still get potato left. But this was literally how we did. This is the vine. You cut the vine. So this is the potato. As you can see, that's the potato. You clean it out. That's potato. See? All the potato. Roller. You want a big one?
Yeah. Let's see. Let's show the viewers how Guyana soil rich.
Get some break.
Wow.
Sweet potato.
You're almost there. So this will happen when you come back down. When you're going back, your hand will be full. And we get more things to pick up. Go whistle there. You want me to carry something there?
Simple carries. Young is that right?
Yeah, we can fetch it. We can fetch it. Come on. All right. Now we gotta go find shed. Rain coming down. A little rain is a little blessing. Gemeente. Ook is lichter. Couldn't end off the day a little better with some rain. There's a little cooling. Being a farmer, you can't ask for nothing more than a good shower, right?
In the heart of dry season, you're going shower rain. This is blessing.
And look what going on here.
In the heart of the dry season.
Guys, by now you should be a little convinced what the agriculture in Guyana means. Guyana soil is rich and it can grow anything. But really what I want to share with you that Vicky can cultivate any kind of product you could need for domestic and global markets. He will soon have an additional 30 acres for farming and growth. Please refer to the description for his contact details. Bottom fry plantain there. Man, work hard.
Have you worked hard today? You need some energy. This is good energy for you.
Sweet? So fresh cane, just pick, peel, and eat. So juicy. Get some extra sugar in the system.
This time we're gonna add jamun and salt and pepper. I will pick the pepper fresh. So how much pepper you need, so like?
Let me see how much you get it.
Yeah, this is enough for me.
Grab a couple more, man. You get a whole farm here. We know this man get pepper, may wouldn't buy pepper.
Alright, good. Love go.
The rain just fell, so now we going to head out. By the time we throw, all them fish gone, right? Alright, there goes.
Much better.
A little better. Let them too heavy. Too heavy?
Yeah, make it that.
No, it's just how you part it. That's how it will turn. It will make the circle. Just you gotta find the right momentum there.
Pilih.
Tidak anda deh, masih ada tuh.
Oh,
Sama pasti boti bina mudah sih. Pasti boti orang bukan. Alright, we're heading out. Back to road.
Super bad, nice. Nice super right. That heat, the coldest and the heat hit together there.
What is that? Kamori there wrong?
And the corner there's something.
How you know?
Rain.
Really? So
It's
it's,
bad now, and then rain is gonna rain. Jamun. Chicago house.
so wait a minute. I am. Put some salawat.
Yeah,
Yeah.
battle. The battle.
Buatan.
so this is Ayu routine, right?
Every day.
And this is like the most beautiful adventure you can ask for. You know,
Yes.
coming out here and just enjoy nature.
Nature.
So guys, that's the end for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. We still have the jamun to eat with salt and pepper, so we're gonna go home and eat that. Hopefully I can put that on video for you. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All right, adios. There's a banks here.
So I like a 5 too. The bit of
Cheers for this beautiful adventure.
Brothers is came afar to me.
Just a little happy.
Very happy.
Very happy.
But 20 people never get a trip like this,